What's up, everybody? You're tuned into Trap Bistro TV with Chef Cedric and Marissa. And we got a special episode today because we're making some Super Bowl food for the big game tomorrow. What are we making, Marissa?
We're making some TRAPCHACHOS.
Yeah, we're making TRAPCHACHOS, aka Trap Nachos. And I got a special recipe using some Lit'l Smokies and some Hennessy that we call Hennessy Hotties, aka Drunken Dogs, aka Tipsy Weiners. So stay tuned and watch us whip up that pot.
What you need is some Lit'l Smokies. They look like this. You'll need a 4th cup of brown sugar. You'll need about a half a cup of ketchup, which looks about this much. And you're going to need about 3 ounces of Hennessy to get that pot stirring. And you'll need a spoon. Then you're going to get your ketchup and you're going to pour it all in.
Then you're going to go ahead and put your Hennessy in.
And then your brown sugar. You're going to stir it all up.
You're going to let it come up to a boil. And then as it boils, you're going to put in your hot dogs. You're going to let it boil for a few minutes and cook away a little bit of that Hennessy. You're going to turn it down on low. And you're going to let it simmer. This is when you're going to put your Lit'l Smokies in. We got one package, that's about 1 pound. Smelling good. We're gonna let that cook down for about half an hour while we get started on our TRAPCHACHOS. So now we got the Tipsy Wieners, the Hennessy Hotties simmering on the stove. We're gonna get started on the TRAPCHACHOS. You're gonna need 2 pounds of Velveeta. This is the key. You can't just use any old cheese. It's gotta be good old yellow American cheese. Velveeta's the best. Nachos, jalapenos, sliced pickled jalapenos. 2 cans of Rotel. And a pound of ground beef. We got the crock pot warmed up. Let's put in our Rotel.
That's the first can. And here's our second can of Rotel. Okay.
Let's put in our cheese.
Alright, let's stick in our cheese. Make sure your hands are washed, guys.
Go ahead and put your nacho pickled jalapenos in. Drain the can, guys.
Alright, so I'm going to just spray my pan lightly, just so that it doesn't stick, which I doubt it's going to stick. Then I'm going to grab my hamburger patties. You can use ground beef, but we're using hamburger patties just because it's leftover and we wanted to use it. So, it's a good way to get rid of your patties. A pinch of salt, because you can never have too much salt, right?
True.
You want to get it chopped up bite-sized. Smells good. All right, well, we let it simmer for about a half an hour, and that's pretty much it. This is what it came out to look like. So delicious, and it smells amazing. Very cheesy. All right, you ready to create our TRAPCHACHOs? Here we go.
Okay guys, the TRAPCHACHOs are done cooking. Let's go ahead and give it a taste test.
How is it?
These are slap your mama good. They're real spicy, real meaty, and real cheesy.
Very cheesy. Delicious. Better than Del Taco. So good. Alright guys, so now we're going to try out our...
Hennessy Hotties.
You go first. I always like to see your reaction first. Is it good?
It's good. It tastes like Filipino spaghetti.
Dang, these are so bomb. Oh my gosh. These are so good. Like, I'm not kidding. These are bomb.
Yeah. It's so easy to make. This would be really good on spaghetti.
I'm sorry, I'm eating them.
We're just taking the last one. It's cool.
It's so good. I mean, really good. You gotta try these. Thanks, Ted.
Hope you guys liked what you saw, and hope you guys have a great Super Bowl Sunday with the TRAPCHACHO and the Hennessy Hottie recipes.
And don't forget, the lower you squat, the better they taste.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Until next time.